In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Google. Then choose All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now choose Google Password Manager. Click on the password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock to access Edit button. Then change wherever you want to. When you finish, you need to hit save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!